feel like I've given Doordash way too much of my energy in these last 2 weeks, 3 weeks.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome back. I don't know what's going on. I just got to order $3 for 3.7 miles. I done broke my GoPro. The GoPro Hero 8 done finally died on me, y'all. It's gone. GoPro is gone. So now I got to record with my Galaxy Z Flip 3, which is okay. I ain't tripping. But man, I love that GoPro. It's straight gone. I done been online for a full hour. I just came from the bike shop, y'all. Start doing some deliveries on this e-bike again. Tell me why I broke my GoPro last night. Well, actually recording yesterday. You're going to see the video I put out today. It's a lot of clips missing in that video, man. I straight go, bro. The GoPro got a red light that's stuck on. The red light won't come off. It won't come on at all. The GoPro Hero 8 then finally died, y'all. It's gone. So you know what? It's all good though, cause you know what? I got backup. Got backup. I'm still be able to make my video and record. I just got that first order. $3 for 3.7 miles. It is not happening. Man, I'm about to head into St. Louis where the gas is cheap, and hopefully there's some orders over there, but the map gray over there too. But it ain't cracking over here in Glen Carbon at all. And I ain't about to waste my time. I need to make $100 today. $100. I ain't got no time to play. Come on now. Boy, it's so hot. I had to get me a cup of ice. Stop playing, dog. It is literally 81 degrees. It's hot as that one thing. Look.
Hey, Craig Nate. What's up, Pedro? Dashing here in Jacksonville, Florida. That's what's in the house. Chicago.
First order was $3.25 at Chick-fil-A. Then I got a $4 Chick-fil-A. And then after declining both of those, we got a $9 order right here at this little Mexican spot. So after declining those first two, this one came in at $9 for 6 miles. Not the mile to money ratio I like to see, but after declining 2 hours, like, let me go ahead and accept this one. That way I at least start to get my wheels rolling, get something on the board. And you know what I'm saying? That, cause look, I need to make $100, so I gotta get these wheels rolling somehow. And look at them, they just blocking the whole street. Yeah, it's all good. Block the whole street, nobody cares, right? First order of the day, 6 miles away. Front door service. First order done, and I had to end my dash because you guessed it, I'm in a new zone. I'm in Melville now. So we switched over to the Melville zone. Let's see what we get next. Cause I'm not driving 6 miles back for my next order. That makes no sense. I'm over here. I need an order over here. All these restaurants. We at Lindbergh and Highway 55. And I got one order that was $6.75 for 7 miles. Qdoba. I'm not taking that. It just don't make no sense. Like, DoorDash is really slowing down. Like, it don't matter if you got a high acceptance rate or whatever. Where's the order? Somebody tell me where are the orders at. When it comes to DoorDash, I am super impatient. Like, I switched zones. I drove about 2 minutes and I ain't getting no, man, look, I'm right back heading to where I just came from. Now this is the issue with DoorDash. Like, you got all these zones, where's the orders at? Acceptance rate is high. Still ain't getting no good offers. So that means that it really don't matter if you got a high acceptance rate, low acceptance rate. The only thing that matter is if you over 50% for real, because that's gonna determine if you see orders at all or not, right? And then after that, it really don't make a difference because you still gonna see trash orders, and if it ain't no offers, you ain't gonna see shit. So I'm heading back over here to Webster Groves. I done made $9. I've been on the clock for like, what, an hour now. I gotta make something happen. Look at that. Uber Eats ain't no better. $4.09 for 12.9 miles. I cannot take that. Not never. Lunch today is, thank you, courtesy to Taco Way. Look at that. We got some tacos. We got us some nice street tacos, guys. Look at that. That shit looks fire. Let's go. Chicken street tacos with the lime. That shit look really good. I feel like I've given Doordash way too much of my energy in these last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Ooh, they're going electric bike. Speaking of electric bikes, y'all about to get some bike content coming up really soon here. Because you know what? I gotta show y'all different ways to make that money on these different delivery vehicles. But look, back to the subject at hand. I've been giving Doordash way too much of my energy these past few weeks, y'all. And I'm telling you right now, things is about to change. So if you follow this channel and you follow it closely, it's gonna be more multi-apping coming up. It's gonna be more back to the same because you know what? This has been a rough challenge, but I did get some results. Wasn't quite the results I was hoping for, but I got some results nonetheless. DoorDash is the same. They manipulative, and the only thing they worried about really is getting all them orders out. Good orders, bad orders, trash orders, dash orders, it don't matter. So if you want to do what's best for you and make as much money as possible, I suggest you multi-app. I suggest you try different you know, a different delivery platform just for the time being. I'm not saying completely get rid of DoorDash. I'm not saying that. But what I am saying is the time is now to go ahead and try something else out, because look, I'm about to make me some money. I ain't about to be out here broke, worrying about an acceptance rate and completion. I ain't about to be dealing with it. And for all my folks that only do DoorDash, I feel sorry for you, because I couldn't do it. So I could not. If you rocking with me, if you made it this far in this video, you the real MVP. But look, we gonna go ahead and check in. Like, I'm about to go to Walmart and buy me some snacks and whatnot. Give me some zoom zooms and wham whams. Probably grab something for the kids, and I'll holler at you. I'll catch you in the next one.